Welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm just going over kind of the progress on my 1977 BMW R100 RS restoration. So as some of you saw, I purchased a R100 RS with the intention of kind of bringing it back to the best it could ever be. So I've been, over the last month or so, just kind of collecting as many like new old stock BMW parts that I can, and also make some improvements to the bike along the way. So I've upgraded the bike. I'm going to be upgrading it to a set of these are genuine Mikuni 38 millimeter flat slide carburetors. So, and they have these billet aluminum adapters that are going to adapt it to just drop right in to these, this stuff right here is just going to adapt right up to those carburetors and then into the airbox. So it'll be pretty much flawless. And the bike, I've installed several sets of these onto many customer bikes, and it just makes it start so much easier in the cold, and it runs so much crispier. It really does make a big difference. I also have the heads. These are the cylinder heads, new valve covers, new cylinder heads, as well as new Nicosil plated cylinders. The heads have new guides, valves, springs, retainers, keepers, everything. So new valve covers, totally redone heads that are, if you can see, they are machined for dual plug. So it'll be a dual ignition with has brand new forged pistons in there as well. I have, I guess, just starting up front, brand new fork legs, brand new reflectors here. This is all OEM BMW stuff. Brand new fork tubes, every single bushing seal, fork springs, airbox lids. These are new, but they're a little corroded right here, so I'm gonna probably have to find another set or get these. I don't know if I can get them dry ice blasted, but also like brakes. This right here, extremely hard to find. This is brand new master cylinder rebuild kits, and everything in this lineup is pretty much OEM BMW, except a couple components, which I believe are upgrading it. I mean, the front brakes, we got genuine Brembo carbon ceramic brake pads, clips, bleeders, caps. Like, we're not cutting any corners here. Brand new swing arm bearing seals, the boot that connects the swing arm to the engine, air filter, clutch spring, pressure plate, everything. So we got flywheel, as well as, just could talk about a lot of this stuff. All new clutch components, every single gasket and seal in the entire engine. So we got like literally everything. Every single bearing seal gasket in the entire engine, as well as every single bearing gasket seal in the rear drive, transmission, including all new input, intermediate, and output shafts, brand new old stock ceramic bearings, all of this stuff. I mean, it's all OEM BMW, battery, brand new airbox, as well as, like I said, it's dual plug ignition now. So I got new spark plug wires. This is like a R6, I'm pretty proud of this one. This is an R69S headlight bucket. Super, super, super hard to find, especially in this condition. Brand new gauge cluster, 0 miles on that one. So that'll go in there. Brand new key switch, everything, neutral and charging light, all the circuit boards that go inside the headlight, all brand new. So this stuff has never been used. It's gonna be brand new. Little headlight mounts, brand new diode board. I don't know if you watched the other video where my whole front cover of the engine was infested with mice. So we've gone ahead and literally every piece of the charging system. So we have a brand new rotor, brand new alternator, full charging system. I mean, everything. Brand new diode board, all brand new. So these are the switches we're going to be using, all brand new OEM BMW. I also got up here, this is all OEM BMW. This is the clutch, as well as the brand new OEM BMW brake. This is all, I don't know where it says. Yep, all OEM BMW stuff. As well as foot pegs here. These are the rear foot pegs. Surprisingly, actually pretty hard to find. Choke lever, which I'm going to, this is again, brand new BMW, new old stock. I'm going to set this up so it will work with the chokes on these carburetors. So just basically to make these carburetors look like they're designed to be on the bike. That's how it would have came. So kind of bringing this bike into the 21st century with, I have a full modernized airhead, full electronic system that's going to control the blinkers, the headlight, oil pressure light. Every single operation of the entire motorcycle will be controlled through this box. So there won't be any starter relays. There's not going to be any fuses, any relays or anything. The entire electronics are going to be programmed by this, and I can set the parameters with a laptop and get this bike like bringing it into the 21st century. So this machine will operate just as good, if not way significantly better than it did the day it came off the assembly line. Also, brand new exhaust system, head pipes, crossover, the bar end blinkers. These are the mirrors that go in the headlight bucket. So instead of being kind of the dorky stems off the handlebars, I think it looks really clean and kind of that classic look when they come out of the headlight bucket. As well as every single fastener in the entire bike, will be replaced with a stainless steel fastener, as well as every single drain and fill plug in the entire engine will be replaced with a magnetic one. So I got a whole bunch of magnetic drain plug. I got a magnetic drain plug in here. This is a brand new oil pan, brand new. There's going to be, magnetic plugs in the entire bike. Like I said, we were just kind of bringing this thing into the 21st century, replacing everything we can with a top quality component. And hopefully at the end of the day, it'll be the one of the best, in my opinion, one of the best airheads out there. So, oh, one other thing. I got this brand new gas tank here. This is kind of a cool piece here. It's in, first off, super good condition. And underneath these, whoever pinstriped these signed it. So you can see right there, that's where they, whoever hand pinstriped these tanks back in Germany, whenever in 1970, they signed the inside of the tank. So that's the person who did its signature. So that's the tank we'll be using. Beautiful tank. And kind of my steps that I'm going to do are I'm going to start assembling like all these sub-assemblies. Right now the frame and everything's all off at powder coat. So I'll get the forks all together and then slowly collect pieces that I'm missing. Also got these classic style tires and a really nice set of spoke wheels. So those tires right here will be going on those wheels. But please like, comment, subscribe, and follow along to see where this project goes. But it should be a good one.